Hey, are you a Django developer? If so, I have something for you. So I created the dating site on the screen and I am making tutorial videos about it, but first let me show you around. So, firstly there is a questionnaire for relationship questions since it is a dating site. This feature uses the same principle as an online exam. You answer questions and it saves answers, and that's basically all about it. Secondly, there is a feature for advertising restaurants and other dating places, which is a great monetizing scheme. As you can see, it can display a modal video to promote the spot after I click the promo button. We move on to the third feature, which is a carousel of couple pictures which publicizes couples or announce engagement news. The fourth feature is sort of a library that shows books which a user can either read online or download. Guys, I will be teaching about all this stuff. You just have to subscribe to my channel, and thank you if you do. Full video link is in the description. The last feature was for displaying recommended movies and allow users to watch them through external links. Go on, like and subscribe.